Day 6 of Vlogmas will bring you another what I eat in the day on the Weight Watcher personal points plan that I've used to lose over 100 pounds. If you'd like to see what I eat in the day, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm going to take you along on what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher personal point plan. We're doing a little football party today, so it's going to be a little bit different kind of food. And I'll show you what I eat to combine a little party and get together while eating on the Weight Watcher plan. So come on along and share the day with me. For breakfast on this morning, I'm having some oatmeal. I'm using 3/4 cup of oatmeal, and I cook it with some sugar, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I add some sugar-free maple syrup and some cinnamon for the oatmeal. And it's a really good way to have a 0-point oatmeal. For protein, I'm also having 2 fried eggs, and that breakfast will help me get through the day. And then we're going to watch some football at my niece's house, so that will make me less hungry. I'm making a bit of a holiday iced coffee. I'm going to use some iced coffee. And I ran out of my stock coffee, so I'm using some Starbucks blonde roast. That is unsweetened. That's my second favorite choice. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of International Delight Zero Sugar Pumpkin Pie Spice Creamer. Then I'm going to add 1/8 cup of eggnog beverage. 1 Sweet and Low packet, just because I like my coffee sweet, and just a little bit of unsweetened almond milk. And that is my holiday version of iced coffee that I'm having today, and it's going to be 2 points. Cheers. Happy Vlogmas. Yummy. This is how we watch football on Sundays. Sometimes we even have 3 TVs going. But I made a meatloaf dinner for everybody. My brother made some appetizer wings that we had, but we spend the whole day there watching football. So I actually had my lunch later, but I'll insert the clip here. I'm having a toasted ham and cheese sandwich with some Ritz toasted crackers. The crackers are 3 points, and the sandwich is 5 points. I have a piece of Velveeta cheese, 2 pieces, 2 points worth of ham, and 2 points for the bread. So that is my lunch, and I'm going to have a kiwi with it also. So I added the kiwi to my plate. Those Sun Gold kiwis are a lot sweeter. They're a lot sweeter than the regular kiwis, I think, and I'm having that. So that is my lunch for today. Little bit of Christmas decor, and this is the meatloaf I made. It's not healthy. I make it with ground pork, ground beef, some eggs, breadcrumbs, ketchup, onion soup mix, and I top it with bacon, but it's everybody's favorite. I did not use a healthy recipe for the meatloaf, so it's 8 points and 1 point's worth of corn. Baked potato is free, and the condiments are 3 points. So that's going to be an 11-point meal. So that's going to wrap up my day 5 Vlogmas video of what I eat in the day. We watched football today. Most of the day I made a meatloaf dinner, which put me a little bit over. We had some wings, homemade wings, for like an appetizer. But then I made some meatloaf for everybody that was there. We had meatloaf and baked potatoes and the corn. So it was good, but it wasn't a healthy cooking that I normally make. I went over by a few points. I had 28 points of the 25 I would be allowed to have. But other than that, I've been doing good. I did not get any steps in today, however. I don't know. Winter's kind of hard to get those steps in, but we'll keep at it. So that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.